Welcome to this video on stockbrokers in the financial markets. In this video, you will learn about brokers, services provided by them, and the points you should keep in mind when choosing a broker. Brokers are financial institutions, separate from the exchange, which allow you to connect to the exchange to trade. They charge you a fee in the form of a brokerage, or a commission for providing this service, to get connected, and place trades on the exchanges. In most parts of the world, traders, both individuals like you, and institutions like small to medium-sized banks, usually use brokers to connect to the markets. They are both convenient, and cost-effective as compared to direct market access. Brokers, just like any other organization, provide various services to their clients. Some of them are placing an order at the exchange on your behalf, performing various risk management checks when you place an order, providing leverage for trading purpose, providing advisory services to investors, providing portfolio management services as well. Choosing the right broker is critical, as it can have a substantial impact on your trading journey. Some of the pointers to keep in mind while choosing a broker are: brokerage or commission. Different brokers charge different commissions, or brokerage based on the services they provide. The number of exchanges, or markets that a broker is associated with, or provides access to. You might have an investing, or trading strategy that needs to be carried out across multiple exchanges. Hence, it's essential to check if the broker you are considering provides access to all of them. Tools provided for trading. Most modern brokers provide web-based trading platforms along with mobile applications, and their platform-specific programming APIs. In addition to this, most brokers also often provide desktop applications, and a call-to-trade facility. The tools and services that brokers provide for facilitating trades are account-specific. There can be a broker who provides all such facilities, or selectively some of them. Again, one of the distinctions that one can make between brokers is based on the services. As the name suggests, full-service brokers additionally also provide trading, or investment recommendations, and carry out much of the work of a trader. However, these services come at a cost. Full-service brokers, therefore, charge higher fees. In contrast, discount brokers leave most of the investment or trading decisions to the traders themselves. Their services are hence cheaper. Their income is driven by high trading volumes. Examples of brokers include Interactive Brokers, Robinhood, Merrill Lynch, Charles Schwab, etc. It would be an interesting exercise for you to search for and explore various brokers in your geography.